After creating the frame, we will move on to modeling the bracing. We will create a new cross-section and change its name. The points on line option should be turned on in the pointer settings, where we will put a value of 0.2 meters for the length. We will use the 1D member command again for drawing. We will choose the cross section and define a new layer. An offset of 20 cm makes the drawing easier, as we want the diagonal bracing to be 20 cm away from the nodes where the columns and the main girders intersect. To move the bracing to the other side, we will use the mirror command. We can select all elements with the same cross section by using the expand selection command. We will also set up the display of elements in different colors according to the cross section or layers.